Hello, my name is Sara. Nice to meet you. Welcome to your personal guided tour through our service workshop. Come along with me. Today, you will gain deep insight into the various maintenance steps for your Eppendorf pipette. Ah, I see your pipette is being serviced. Let's watch how Tom is performing the maintenance procedure. Here we are. We will now enter the environmentally controlled zone. Hello Tom, can you demonstrate a maintenance procedure for our guest?
Hey Sarah, yeah, of course, I'd be happy to do so. Great, I actually just started with the service of your Research Plus pipette. First, we check the pipette from the outside. Next, we check the interior of the lower part. After reassembling, we do the function testing.
By the way, we service pipettes from all manufacturers.
Now your pipette is ready for calibration. A similar procedure is performed for our reference pipettes.
Here you go, your fully maintained and tested pipette. And remember, a well-maintained and calibrated pipette is an accurate and precise one, ensuring reproducible data. See you again for our next service demonstration.